Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor. In the particular video, we'll talk about the private medical colleges with the lowest fee for MD and MS in India. Okay, so this video is going to be very important for those candidates who are missing government colleges by a little margin. Before that, you can subscribe to our channel. It is very great. It is great platform for all NEET PG 2021 candidates before exam and post examination the counseling process for all the courses where you can get admission into through NEET 2021 PG score. In the description we have given a telegram group link. You can join that link, the group, through that link. There you can get some valuable information which you might not be getting in the video. Also some files, some materials. You can chat with other people from other states to get an idea about particular branch in particular college if they are more aware, and you can ask us questions to us as well. There you can avail our paid services. For that you can call on to the number 9319128677. Starting from day one until the counseling process continues, our expert counselor will guide you, and step by step they will share the details regarding counseling process to get the best result of the counseling process. We have given the link of some ebooks which are going to be very useful, because those information you can't find over the website anywhere for free. So there is a little amount you need to pay for that. You can uh, have a look at those as well. So let's get started and start the video. There are two kind of states: open state and closed state. In other terms, you can call them domicile state and non-domicile states. So when it comes to private colleges, you have options in your state as well as other states. I will be creating separate video for all the detailed explanation about the counseling process, but for now I want to focus you on the fee structure only, so that you have some target, some idea before you go for the examination in terms of score. When it comes to non-domicile state or open states, some of the states keep the fee different for their own state candidates and the candidate coming from other states. Suppose Karnataka, the fee is different for Karnataka state in the private college. At the same point of time, Karnataka is open state, so candidate coming from other state than Karnataka can also participate in the counseling to get a seat into private colleges in Karnataka, but the fee would be different for them and it will be a bit higher. Karnataka, Rajasthan, Pondicherry, and all such states are of this nature, where the fee structure is less for domicile candidates, whereas it's high for non-domicile candidates. Some other states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, MP, and other some states where the fee is exactly same for domicile candidates and non-domicile candidates. So it doesn't make any difference where you come from, as long as you are able to participate in the counseling process for a private college, the fee is gonna be same. Now uh, we'll talk about few colleges, few private colleges. It might be closed or open where you can participate. So talking about Punjab, the tuition fee for PG course here is quite low. All the four colleges where the clinical fee is around between 6 to 7 lakhs, and all these colleges come under Baba Farid University of Health Science. There is one college, Adesh Medical College. For Adesh Medical College, anybody can participate in the counseling. You are not from Punjab, you are from Tamil Nadu, still you can get admission into Adesh Medical College through counseling process. The fee for this college is a bit higher, but this is a good college and it will be play a good role in your counseling process to have this information. The tuition fee here is around 15 lakhs for clinical branches. Coming over to Karnataka, Karnataka is a medical hub for MBBS as well as PG courses. So there are totally 23 private colleges. Out of that, St. John's Medical College, the fee is quite low here, between 8 to 8.5 lakhs per annum. And but getting admission here is quite difficult because you need to have very good score. Candidate coming from Karnataka as well as from outside, both can participate. Other 19 colleges, the tuition fee is around 11.5 lakhs. Last year it was between 8.5 to 9 lakhs per annum. There was hike in the tuition fee for PG. This year also you can expect a little bit of 10% of hike for most of the colleges, uh, whether it's Karnataka, Kerala, but there is no confirmation of that. Just wait for that. When it gets increased, we will update you through the video and in the Telegram channel. But three private colleges, STM Gulbarga, Adi Chunchungiri and Khaja Bandinamal, these three private colleges has much higher fee than other private colleges in Karnataka. Their fee ranging between 12 lakhs to 24 lakhs. Okay, so these 19 private colleges, the tuition fee for these 19 open quota is only 11.5. When you go for NRA quota and others quota, the fee is very very high. Okay, and even just qualified candidates can get admission there. Now coming over Madhya Pradesh, there are 6 private colleges, and the 4 clinical branches, the fee structure here between 11 lakhs to 12 lakhs. So this state is also very critical for you. If you get admission here, it will be in low budget you are getting. West Bengal, there is one private medical college, KPC Medical College, is a bit different from other private medical colleges when it comes to fee structure. The amount of fee you need to pay here around 53 lakhs for the complete course, and it's one time payable. In the first year itself you have to pay 53 lakhs. So if you have this much budget ready, and if you divide in 3 parts, then it's not a heavy fee. But if you are able to pay in one go, then it's very good option. Coming to Bihar, the fee for clinical branches is not very less, is on mediocre side, but for some of the lower clinical branches like ENT, opthal, anesthesia, the fee is very very low in Bihar, between 6 to 8 lakhs. So you can keep it in mind. If you're going for those branches, Bihar can be a very good option. That's where counseling process and expert counseling process comes into picture. You get your dream branch, but in good package. Okay, one state I left out, Kerala. There you need to, Kerala is a closed state for PG, open state for MBBS, so don't get confused. You come from Kerala, then only you can participate for Kerala PG counseling 2021. In future, if they happen to change the rule, if they make it open state, we'll identify you, notify you. The tuition fee there for clinical branches is around 14 lakhs, and for non-clinical branch around between 8 to 9 lakhs in Kerala. Okay, so these were top colleges where the fee is very very less in private colleges. If you go for Rajasthan, the fee would be very very high there. Karnataka, NRI quota and others quota, the fee would be very high there. And other options you have, so you can think about these options when you are going for, you're targeting government for government colleges, and if you keep them in plan B, in case you are missing by little margin, then what option you have available, Karnataka will be good option. Adesh Medical College you can keep after Karnataka, MP you can keep after Karnataka. So Karnataka, MP, then Punjab, Adesh Medical College. For lower clinical branches, you can have option in Bihar as well. Okay, so that's it from this video. You can have a look always on the description part. That will give you some more update as the counseling process goes on. We'll keep on adding. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys, and all the best for your examination. Still one more than a month is available for you, so prepare the best way and as per the modified exam pattern. Okay, so you get the best possible result out of it. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.